Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your MNS bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search MNS Bank Login. Once you make search, you'll find MNS Bank username sign in. Just click here. Now, after that, you'll be redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your username and click continue. After that, you have to enter your password and simply log in. In case you forgot your username, you can click here, and if you forgot your password, then you can click continue and you will find this option right there. And that's how you can reset your username or password. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.